Okay, so now let us proceed to the part 2 of solving quadratic equation by factoring. But this time, it is trinomial. So, sa last video natin, solving quadratic equation by factoring, pero yun ay binomial lang. At ang given lang ay ax squared plus bx. So, this time, kompleto na silang tatlo. So, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, proceed agad tayo sa example. So, meron tayong a wherein si c daw is positive and a is equal to 1. So, sige, example, x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, una natin gagawin is that hanapin natin yung factor si 6. Ano ba mga factor si 6? So, magiging 3 times 2, ano pa? 6 times 1. So, meron pa ba? Wala na. So, dahil positive si c, gagawin lang natin dito sa factors na to ay i-add natin na kung saan ang kalalabasan dapat ay si middle term or si b. Dapat ay equal kay 5. So, let us add. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, alin dyan yung factors ni 6 pag pinag-add equal kay 5? Siyempre, si 3 plus 2. So, si 3 plus 2 yung kukunin natin. So, lagi nating tatandaan, kapag positive si c, ang factors natin ay parehas ng operator. So, saan nakabase yung operator? Nakabase yung operator natin doon sa middle term. So, this will become x minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Bakit po minus? Kasi, ang operator ng middle term natin is minus. So, kaya ang factors natin ay naka-minus din. So, now let us equate it sa 0. So, this will become, lagay natin dito, x minus 3 is equal to 0, saka x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, lipat natin. So, magiging x is equal to 3 and x is equal to positive 2. Okay. So, another example. So, example number 2, makikita natin na hindi pa siya naka-standard form. So, ang una natin gagawin is, lalagay muna natin siya into its standard form. So, gagawin lang naman natin itong si negative 21, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, magiging x squared plus 10x. So, si negative 21, pag nilipat, magiging positive 21 is equal to 0. So, ano ulit gagawin? So, hanapin natin yung factor si c. Ito ni 21. Okay? So, ano bang factor si 21? So, unahin na natin si 21 times 1, 7 times 3. Meron pa bang iba? So, I think wala na. So, again, since plus si c, so, ang gagawin natin sa factors ay add or subtract. So, i-add natin. Na kung saan yung factors, ay yung sum ng factors ay equal kay 10 or kay middle term. So, 21 plus 1, that is 22. 7 plus 3, that is 10. So, anong factors na gagamitin natin? So, that is 7 and 3. So, therefore, ang factors natin will be, ayan, x, o dahil plus si middle term, so, therefore, ang operators natin sa factors ay parehas, plus. So, x plus 7 and x plus 3, and this is equal to 0. So, equate na natin kayo, so, magiging x plus 7 equals 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then, lipat. So, x is equal to negative 7 and x is equal to negative 3. Ayan. So, that's it. So, ulitin lang natin ha. If c is positive at si a is equal to 1, so, ang gagawin lang natin is to find the factors of c. Dahil plus to, i-add natin yung factors na kung saan yung factors na to ay dapat equal kay middle term. So, kapag inform na natin yung factors niya, so, ang operators ng ating factors ay nakadepende kay middle term. Okay? At parehas sila. Tandaan na kapag positive si C, parehas yung operator ng ating factor at nakadepende yan kay B. Okay po? Okay, so proceed tayo sa B. C is negative and A is equal to 1. So, we have x squared plus 9x minus 10. So, take a look at C. So, hanapin ulit natin yung factors ni C, ni 10. Ano bang factors ni 10? So, meron tayong 10 times 1, meron tayong 5 times 2. Okay, since C is negative, so, kanina, pina-plus, ngayon naman, ima-minus natin yung factors. So, kung saan, dapat yung sagot nun ay mag-equal kay middle term. Yung difference nun ay mag-equal kay middle term. So, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, anong factors na kukunin natin? So, si 10 saka si 1. So, bubuo na ulit tayo ng factored form. So, since this is negative, diba, alam natin, kapag nag-multiply tayo, kapag negative times positive, ang answer ay negative. So, therefore, yung factors natin dito ay different sign din. Okay, so we have here x and another x. So, lagay natin si 10 tsaka si 1. Okay, dahil sabi nga natin magkaiba. Okay, magkaiba. So, itong operator ng middle term, okay, ang gagaya dito ay yung mas malaking numbers. Ano ba mas malaki? Si 10 o si 1? Siyempre si 10. So, therefore, si 10 yung gagaya kay middle term, which is positive. Yung isa naman ay negative. Pero kung negative to, itong si 10 magiging negative, ito naman ay magiging positive. Gets po? And this is equal to 0. So, equate na natin. So, magiging x plus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So, transpose. X is equal to negative 10 and x is equal to positive 1. Okay, example number 2. We have x squared minus 5x minus 36. So, ganun ulit, kunin natin yung factors ni 36. Ano bang factors ni 36? So, hindi na natin lagay sa 36 times 1 kasi napaka-imposibleng maging 5. So, ano bang factors ni 36? 6 times 6. Ano pa? 9 times 4. So, again, since this is minus, anong gagawin natin? Add or subtract. So, we're gonna subtract the factors. So, 9 minus 4, and this is equal to 5 na same dun sa middle term natin. So, now, let's alagay natin sa factored form niya. So, x, 9, x, 4. So, again, yung higher number, so yung gagaya sa operator ni middle term. Okay, na bang operator ni middle term? Minus. So, this 9 will be minus 9, and yung isa, since minus nga sa C, so therefore magkaiba yung operator, so this will become plus. And this is equal to 0. So equate natin yung both sides, equate natin yung factors ng 0. So magiging x minus 9 is equal to 0, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So lipat natin si negative 9 sa kabila. So magiging x is equal to 9 and x is equal to negative 4. So ito yung values ni x. So, last example natin. Ayan. So, again, hindi siya naka-standard form. So, gagawin muna natin siyang standard form. So, magiging x squared plus 3x. So, si 18, pag nilipat, magiging negative 18 is equal to 0. So, ano ba yung mga factors ng 18? So, we have, hindi natin lalagay yung 18 times 1 kasi ang layo niya sa 3. So, ano ba? 9 times 2? Ano pa ba? 6 times 3. So, again, anong gagawin natin? Add or subtract. Okay, we're gonna subtract the factors kasi nga minus si C. So, 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. So, anong factors ang kunin natin? Itong si 6 and 3. So, lagay na natin siya sa factored form niya. So, magiging x6, x3. So, tingnan natin yung middle term. Anong sign ng middle term? Positive. So, ito yung gagayahin ni higher number, which is 6. So, x plus 6, isa naman ay minus 3, and this is equal to 0. So, equate na natin yung factor. X plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So, lipat. X is equal to negative 6, and x is equal to positive 3. Okay. So, last. Letter C. A is greater than 1. So, if A is greater than 1, gagamit tayo ng AC method. So, gagamit tayo ng AC method. So, ano ba yung AC method? So, i-multiply lang natin si A at saka si C at yun yung kukunin natin ng factor. So, in this case, multiply natin si 3 times 6 and 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So, itong si 18 yung hahanapan natin ng factor. So, tingnan natin. C is positive. So, kung positive si C, therefore, yung factors ni 18 ay ipag-add natin. So, ano bang factors ni 18 pag pinag-add equal kay 11. So, again, we have 6 times 3 and also we have 9 times 2. So, let us add 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So, anong factors kukunin natin? Itong si 9 and 2. So, ilagay na natin yung factored form. So, magiging x. So, since plus to at plus si c, so ano, yung operators natin ng both factors ay parehas. Kasi, di ba, like sign, sa multiplication, ang sagot ay positive. So, x plus 9, x plus 2. Pero, hindi pa tayo natatapos doon. Since a is greater than 1, so itong mga factors na to, i-divide natin sa numerical coefficient ni a, which is 3. So, i-divide natin to by 3. So, i-simplify natin. So, magiging x, 9 divided by 3. So, that is plus 3. Sa kabila, madi-divide ba? Hindi. So, panatalihin natin ganyan. So, x plus 2/3 is equal to 0. So, i-equate na natin yung both factors. So, magiging x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 2/3 is equal to 0. So, lipat. So, x is equal to, pag nilipat to, magiging negative 3. Ito, pag nilipat, magiging x is equal to negative 2/3. Okay. Sige, example number 2. Para sa a is greater than 1. So, ganun ulit. Gamit tayo ng easy method. I-multiply muna natin si 2 tsaka si 8. So, 2 times 8, that is equal to 16. So, again, tignan natin si c. So, c is plus. So, therefore, anong gagawin natin sa factors? Add or subtract. So, we're gonna add. So, ano bang factors ni 16 pag pinag-add? Equal kay 10. So, I think, 4 times 4, ano pa? 8 times 2. So, let's add. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So, anong factors kukunin natin? Si 8 and 2. So, lagay na natin yung factored form. So, magiging x. So, since minus to at plus si c, again, yung operator ng factors natin ay parehas. At nakadepende yun kay c, that is minus x minus 8 saka x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, again, tapos na ba? No, since meron tayong numerical coefficient which is equal kay 2, i-divide natin yung factors by 2. So, magiging x, 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. X minus 2 divided by 2, that is 1, is equal to 0. Okay, so now, i-equate na natin sa 0 yung mga factors. So, magiging x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So, lipat lang natin. So, x is equal to 4. So, x is equal to 1. Okay, last example. So, we have 5x squared plus 11x is equal to 12. So, again, hindi siya naka-standard form. So, ang gagawin natin ay ilagay siya into its standard form. So, magiging 5x squared plus 11x. So, 12 pag dilipat, magiging negative 12 is equal to 0. So, let us use AC method. 5 and 12. Multiply natin. So, 5 times 12 is equal to 60. So, again, anong factors ni 60? Pag pinag-add or subtract, so, tingnan natin si C. C is negative. So, ibig sabihin, yung factors ay ipag-subtract natin. Ano kaya yung factor sa 60? Pag pinag-subtract, equal kay 11. Sige, list natin. So, pwedeng 2 times 30. Pwedeng 3 times 20. Ano pa? Pwedeng 4 times 15. Ba? 4 times 15. Pwede ring 5 times 12. Pwede ring 10 times 6. Okay. And 60 times 1. So, try natin i-subtract. So, 30 minus 2, that is 28. So, ang layo sa 11. 20 minus 3, so that is 17. So, malayo rin sa 11. Ito, 15 minus 4, this is equal to 11. So, since nakuha na natin si 11, kahit di natin ito ipag-subtract. Okay, so ang kukunin natin ay si 4 and 15. So, again, since minus to, ano yung operators? Magkaparehas o magkaiba? Okay, magkaiba. At yung higher number ay ang nakadepende sa sign ni middle term. So, yung isa, yung kabaliktaran nun. So, magiging x 4, x 15. So, sino gagaya kay middle terms? 4 o si 15? Siyempre si 15. Since plus si middle term, so si 15 magiging plus, si 4 ay minus. Ma'am, pwede po ba magkabaliktad? Dito si 15, dito si 4. Yes, pero dapat x plus 15 dito, x minus 4 dito. Kasi meron tayong commutative property of multiplication. So, again, this is equal to 0. So, question is, tapos na ba? So, again, hindi pa. So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin ito by the numerical coefficient of a. So, divided by 5, divided by 5. So, magiging x minus 4 over 5. Hayaan natin yan kasi hindi na naman natin masisimplify. Tsaka x plus 15 divided by 5, that is 3 equals to 0. Sige, equate na natin sa 0 yung mga factors. So, magiging x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 0. Tsaka x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, gawin natin dito. So, magiging, lipat natin. So, x is equal to 4 over 5. Tsaka yung isa, x is equal to negative 3. Ayan. So, again, it's time for you to answer the following quadratic equation by factoring. Okay, so again, you can comment your answer sa ating comment section. I hope you've learned something from this video. So, and I hope you're enjoying learning mathematics at this very moment. So, yeah. See you in next video.